I like to think of Haiti as a bridge. Our bridge is broken. And for as long as I can remember, it's been that way. Today I say we need to fix it. There is a big gap between this bridge, and it needs to be fixed. We're going to fix our bridge by coming together once and for all. We're going to rebuild this bridge by connecting point A to point B. Folks, we need to get to point B. Point A is our past, the foundation that we stand on. Point B is our present, our future, the innovation that we strive for. We need to bridge the gap between the old diaspora and the young ones coming up. We need to consider ourselves as the construction workers. No one else is better fit for this job than we are. Haiti needs you, me, the rest. Haiti needs all of us. Haiti needs us to reconstruct this bridge right now. And in order for us to do that, we must form a coalition between the old generation and the new generation coming up. All of us together, if you really look at the word Haiti, makes the word Haiti. We need all of our activists, experts, scientists, doctors, lawyers, nurses, teachers, and everyone else to go back into the community and start reaching out to our students, Haitian student organizations, which are filled with young leaders ready to take action. We are ready to rebuild Haiti, but we need help. We need resources, and we need supportive guidance. We need the professionals and those who have been in Haiti for a very long time to tell us, honestly, which of their efforts have been failures and which of them have been successes. The new generation needs to be equipped with the tools necessary for change, and we need you to include us in the dialogue, to communicate with us, young and old. We want to know what worked and what did not work in order for us to rebuild this bridge. It's been 2 years since the earthquake. What have you done since the earthquake that you can say you're proud of? Let's reunite like Pétion, Capwa, and Toussaint did to bring the beauty of our country back. Let's learn to forgive and love each other once more. Let's choose unity over division and work together to rebuild our bridge. We can't bring the victims of the earthquake back, but we can bring Haiti back. And the way we start is very simple. To my old generation, I'll leave you with this. Believe in the youth and believe that they are the future and that they can help rebuild this bridge and they can help rebuild it fast. To my younger generation, I'll leave you with this. Let's seek help and better ourselves, and then we'll get to work and go take action in Haiti. It's time for us to unite and rebuild Haiti together. Thank you.